So I am super excited because I just picked up my sign, my custom sign and keychain from the Orange Manufacturing Group. They helped me so much design with my logo design because I'm not that great at graphic design. It's not my forte. It's not something that I studied. And when he reached out to me, at first I was like, okay, is this real? But totally real. He gave me amazing tips and guidelines on how to go about conceptualizing my brand. So I got the logo. I'm super happy with the result. And now I finally have the sign and custom keychain that I will open for the first time right now. And so I'm filming this. I guess this is an unboxing or something. I've watched them on YouTube, but I've never done one. When I got my block clock, I just like tore everything open and set it up, without filming the process. But I guess this is my first official unboxing, and I couldn't be happier that it's with the Orange Manufacturing Group. I'm trying not to be like too excited because I don't want to scratch anything. There we go. And I have to do this side. But it was really exciting going to the post office to pick this up. Of course, here we go. Of course, I don't know what to expect, so I'm seeing this for the first time with you. Oh, very nice. Oh, that's kind of cool. Usually it's just regular tissue paper, but there's a bit of like shredding. I like that detail. So creative. And it's wrapped. Oh, please tell me it's not broken. I would be gutted if it's broken. And it says fragile all over the box. I don't think they treated it as fragile. Or maybe it comes in 2 pieces. Oh no! Oh my, please say it's not broken, but it's actually the stand part. Oh my gosh. To tell you how I've got my hopes up big time. Oh wow. Look at that. Custom made. I hope this filming does it justice. Wow. Ask a Bitcoiner 21 questions. Custom made. He held my hand and walked me through the steps on conceptualizing the logo. And then I found a graphic designer who actually made the logo, and he turned it. I sent him if you're into graphics, don't shoot me if I get this wrong, but I think it's like the SVG file or a PNG file, some kind of file. And from that file, he made this wooden sign, which is so beautiful. And the part that I thought was broken is actually the base. Oh my God, I'm so excited. I can't wait to film my next podcast so that I can, hold on, I have to put this on a flat surface, so that I can display my sign in the background. Oh my God, I might even cry. This is so beautiful and so nice. Oh, and this is the package, and the packaging is so beautiful. It's so chic with the black. Wow. Wow, this is good quality. The shredded tissue paper. Okay, so this is my keychain. So this is my keychain, which is going on my keys ASAP. And basically, there's a QR code inside. So that's in itself is pretty cool. But this QR code actually links to my Lightning address. I've got a Lightning account with Albi or Albi Hub. And so technically, I'm going to test it on camera. If I or anyone take a good look at the QR code, if you want to test it, from wherever you're watching, try to zap me some sats using this. So this is a keychain, which is so beautiful. My goodness. Good work. Let me get my, actually I'll use this one. I've got so many devices. So, there we go. So I'm just gonna use Wallet of Satoshi because it's easy. And up, lightning. So, oh my God, I hope this works. So I'm going to zap it. Oh my God! And so send 1 sats for Ask a Bitcoiner 21 questions. And it shows my Get LV address. Success, sats received. Okay, so I'm gonna do this again because this is just too dope for words. Send, up, and then for the amount, I'm going to change it to 121 sats so that you can see. And then I'm going to hit send and look at the confirmation that comes up. Success, sats received. Ask a Bitcoiner 21 questions at Get LV. Oh my God, I'm so happy and grateful. Like this is pretty sweet. Oh my goodness.